Good morning everyone. Today is day 3 and today we are going to jungle safari. We are going to see the Tiger Cave Temple, Emerald Pool and hot springs. So this is the plan for day 3. We will update according to the tour group plan. Master Sujit, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, how was the morning practice?
Yeah, it was excellent.
Okay, nice.
Practice with Surya Namaskar, then
Now we are going to the hot spring, which is 70 km away from the resort. It will take around 1.5 hours to reach there, and the temperature of the water is around 37 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, which is good for the body but cannot stay longer than 20 minutes. So first stop will be hot spring, second stop will be Emerald Pool, and third stop will be the Tiger Gate Temple, and we have to climb up 1260 stairs to reach the temple. That's the plan for today. See you in the evening. We have reached our first destination, the hot spring. So we are going towards the hot spring right now with our tour guide Kunat. We have to buy a ticket over here. The ticket price is 160 baht. It is surrounded by trees, forest all around, very nice environment, and today is a very beautiful day, blue sky, sunny day, but slowly clouds are coming up, but never mind, we can enjoy in the rain also in case there is a rain. So see you in the hot springs. This is the natural stream for the hot spring. Then we'll come back again on the main path. Wow, nice. Clean, fresh air, full of oxygen. Our guide Kunat comes here every day. Can see a small stream of water over here, and surrounded by bamboo trees. This is the natural trail, and you can also go by the main road, but I prefer this one. It is more peaceful and more beautiful. The pathway is covered by the trees, and beside the pathway there is a stream of water flowing, as you can see, and Master Sujit is very interested in taking selfies because I'm not taking his video or photo. And that is Kunat, our guide for today. Okay.
The water of the right your hand side there. This is the hot spring, the hot water.
Okay.
The hot water here from the thermal spring and then leave underground of the volcanic and then flow slowly down this way to the hot waterfall.
Okay. Thank you.
In this area, underground there is so many falls.
Okay.
And the water from the underground make the heat underground there. It becomes the thermal spring.
Okay.
Mineral water.
Okay.
There's a lot of copper, sulfur,
Mm.
fluoride.
Oh.
So when you take a hot water, you get some smell of the water.
Ah.
Okay,
Yeah. The vapors. Wow. So this is the hot water coming from the volcanic activities going on underneath the earth, or thermal activities going on underneath the earth, and I can see the vapors coming out of the water. Yeah, some vapors coming out from the water. Very beautiful place, very beautiful indeed. So right now we are going to the hot spring where we can take a bath and we can dip our body there and enjoy the beautiful nature and the benefits of taking bath in a mineral rich hot spring. Walking forward, it is around 400-meter walk from the gate towards the hot spring. our guide said that it is better to take the natural trail. It is quite natural and clean, fresh, and no sun because of these beautiful bamboo trees hanging over the pathway. Wow. Now as you can see, I cannot show you the vapors, but I can see the vapors coming up, and this is this beautiful spot. The water is very clean, very clean and neat. I think almost reached. On the right we have to go. So we are at the hot spring already. They said should not be soaked in hot spring for more than 20 minutes. That's the warning. And as you can see, so many people are enjoying the hot water over here. This hot water is full with minerals, and the hot water is going down towards the small stream down below, which is not hot, it is cold, but water over here is very hot. They have many small steps or levels from where the water is flowing down. The topmost part is over there and the bottom part is over here. Okay, let's enjoy the water. The water is super clean, water is very clean. Master Sujit is waiting there. Sujit, come. Sujit, over here is not very hot. No. Now going to the lowest level of this hot spring waterfall. It is a hot spring waterfall. थोड़ा मुस्कुरा. Now came to the last level of this hot spring water pool. You can see the flow of the water. Master Thief is sitting over here. Now you can see the beautiful hot spring waterfall from a distance, giving so much energy to the people, re-energizing the body with the mineral-rich water. Hot spring waterfall, Krabi, Thailand. Very beautiful indeed. And this is the small river going forward, and the hot water is getting down into the river. So trip to waterfall finished, hot spring waterfall finished. Now going back to the van. Found a snake over here. Wow. Natural place can find this kind of creatures easily. Very nice. And back. Green snake. Wow. But it's shy but very dangerous. It's beautiful but dangerous. Nice, nice. Green snake over here. Can you see the snake? Wow. Everyone is very excited to see the snake, even me. She can jump. Now we came to the emerald pool or crystal pond. Here you cannot take any food items, only the camera and phone and water only, no food. It is a sanctuary of animals also. So adult you have to pay 200 baht for foreigners, child 100 baht for Thai, 20 baht adult and 10 baht for child. So yeah, let's go. Wow. Wow, the pool is so clear and the kids are playing over here. Very, very nice indeed. Sanuk mai khap? Sanuk mai? I asked them that is it very enjoyable? They said yes. Wow, the water is so clear. The stream is coming from there and we are going to the source of this stream, the main emerald pool. Okay,
we have two ways. Walk inside, but for our group, after this, we walk inside this way 1,400 meters.
Okay.
And this way, when we walk back, 800 meters.
Okay. So we are going to the long way now because it is the natural trail. So let's go to natural trail. Surrounded by trees. And beside our natural trail, you can see the crystal clear emerald color pool, emerald pool. Okay.
They let you walk inside, but it's a long way, so it's so still here. And this around here is not deep for day two.
So they say, the Kunnat said that the local kids can swim over here, but for the tourists, they have to go more deep, as the water here is not that deep for the adults and is not suitable for the tourists to swim in this part of the pool. So let us move forward around 1 kilometer. We have to walk to go to the main emerald pool. Very nice surrounding, very nice view. In the previous place, we saw two snakes, which is very, very scary as well as very, very enthusiastic as well, because didn't expect to find the creatures like that on the road. And Kunat said, our guide said that maybe we can see a king cobra over here, which is pretty scary. I don't want to be near king cobra today. This is a tropical evergreen forest. Due to the abundance of water, the trees never get dried. The trees leaves never get dried due to the abundant water supply throughout the year. Lucky to be here in nature, walking within the nature. This is me and Master Sujit with the blue towel, because they said you can swim, so we are in swimsuit and we are taking the towel with us so that we can swim over there and enjoy our time while we are here in the Emerald Pool. So Kunat, how long we are going to stay here?
It's about 15 minutes from here.
No, how long we are going to swim?
It's about 45 minutes.
Okay, we are going to swim about 45 minutes. Then we will go for lunch, and after lunch we will go to Tiger Cave Temple. We have to climb a hill which is about 1,600 steps up. 1,260 steps up, not 1,600. 1,600 will be pretty difficult. So we will climb 1,260 steps to climb to the top of the temple and the small hill. Cannot call a mountain, small hill.
It's no name because it's lots of fish, lots of algae inside the pool there, so you cannot swim.
So Kunat said this is the protected area, and we cannot swim over there because there are different kind of aquatic plants and marine life are here. The water is very clean because of the calcium carbonate, which purifies the water all the time. That's why the water remains so clean throughout the year. Even though there is a flood or heavy rain, it can purify itself, it can clean itself without any problem. The magical pool, Emerald Pool, Krabi, Thailand. We are going to the crystal pool, which is also a protected pool. We cannot swim there. We can see the beautiful pool. Not here. This is the stream coming from the crystal pool. Later on, we'll go to the Emerald Pool. This one is the crystal pool. In Thai, we call Sakeo. This is the protected pool. We cannot swim here, so we are moving forward. So this is the crystal pool with the depth of 2 meters in the center of the pool.
This crystal pool. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, baby. It looks like an emerald color. Yeah, the blue pool is the blue pool to protect them because they have a egg around the blue pool.
Take that one.
Beautiful pool. So apart from crystal pool and emerald pool, there is one more pool, blue pool, but we cannot go there because there is a special kind of bird which is only found in Krabi. It is the breeding season for them, where the eggs will hatch, so we cannot go there due to the protection. That pool will be open in January. So if you are coming to Krabi Emerald Pool during November, October or December, you cannot go to the blue pool. You can only visit there in the month of January. Okay, we made it to the Emerald Pool already, and it is very slippery, have to be careful. Wow, so many people are already over here. Is the Emerald Pool, guys. Beautiful Emerald Pool, and no one can jump over here, no jumping. Strictly written here, no jumping. Wow, beautiful color, emerald color of the pool due to the limestone. People are enjoying, children are enjoying. The stream is flowing that way. Beautiful indeed. So we are in the emerald pool already. The color of this pool is so beautiful, very, very beautiful. You can see so many people. You cannot jump in this pool. You have to slide down from the floor to enter the pool. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. Truly amazing, truly amazing. Let me go towards the source of this water, not waterfall actually, the stream from where the water is coming to the pool. All these are limestones. It's very slippery and the water is coming from here. Wow, so good. The water is coming from here. All these are like limestone. Over there have some soil, but this is pure limestone. Nothing is sticking to the feet. Beautiful. Wow, what a view from here of the emerald pool. Beautiful view. Lan Chompu Nam. This place is called Lan Chompu Nam. So going forward towards the source of the water, but source is pretty far. You can see the small stream going to the emerald pool, which giving the water to the emerald pool. It's so slippery over here. It's very, very slippery over here. Fresh water. It's pretty slippery, have to be careful. That's the way to the blue pool, but it is closed. It will open on January to April. After April, they will close it until this January. May to December, no service. No one is allowed there during May to December. What a beautiful view. Mai pa ka, mai pa. Going back to the emerald pool again. So this is the fresh stream of water going down to the emerald pool. It's cool. It's pretty cool. Another stream is coming from this side. This stream is a little bit bigger than this one. This one is a small stream and that one is a big stream. Lan Chompu Nam. My friend Sujit is sitting over there. मैं गिर गया मैं वहाँ पे स्लीपर it. You can see the area surrounding the emerald pool. These are all limestone deposits over here, and over there is the beautiful emerald colored pool. Enjoying in the emerald pool, Krabi, Thailand. We are going back to the lunch area for lunch, and then we'll go to the Tiger Cave temple after that. Beautiful place. Welcome to Emerald Pool. Now we are going back.
Hello, sir. Papa.
This bird is on the edge of extinction. Only 10 birds are available here in this area. All around the world, only 10 birds are available in this area. So blue pool is the place where they build their nest and lay eggs. That is why from May to December it is prohibited to use the blue pool. This is the map of the emerald pool. Only the blue pool number 7 we didn't go, and we didn't go to the bird observatory as well because those are closed. We went to emerald pool and crystal pool, which are the main attraction of this place. This is the entry and exit of the emerald pool. From here you have to enter, from here you have to exit. Kids are playing. In this place there are not many people. Very good. But only locals can swim over here. Tourists have to go to the main emerald pool. After coming back from the emerald pool, we are in the restaurant to have our lunch. The restaurant have vegetarian food as well as the non-vegetarian food, which is healthy and clean, and the environment is very nice, peaceful, just next to the main road. Open air restaurant. Clean food is coming and I'm ready to eat as well. So far so good. We had a good morning, good afternoon. After breakfast we came out from the hotel and we went to the first place known as Hot Spring Waterfall. We enjoyed a lot there. The water was warm, full of minerals. We took bath in that water for around 35 minutes because normally it is not advisable to take bath more than 20 minutes in that hot water, but we did 30, is okay. And after that we went to Emerald Pool, Crystal Pool, which was fantastic. The color of the water was so beautiful, crystal clear water. And we didn't go to the blue pool because the blue pool is closed and no one can go there. And blue pool no one can swim. In blue pool no one can swim because the temperature of water is very high, around 55 degrees Celsius, and they have quicksands in the water. So if somebody step on the quicksand, they will go down and nobody can rescue them. And another reason the blue pool is closed because there is a special kind of bird which is only available in Krabi. All around the world only 10 birds are alive. So that bird is on the edge of extinction, and that place, the area around the blue pool, is the habitat of that bird. So it is closed from May to December, open from January to April. Right now we are having lunch. After that we will go to Tiger Cave Temple, and we will go to the top of the hill to see the view, 360-degree view of the Krabi. Okay, so we are having lunch. Right now we are at the Tiger Cave Temple. It is a mixed culture of Chinese tradition and Thai tradition. And this is the main temple compound. But there is one more temple right on the top of this hill. So we have to climb up to reach there. And it will take 1260 steps to reach the top of the temple. So I think it is a little steep climb, which requires lots of strength and stamina. So prepare yourself. If you are in this region, prepare your mind and body to climb up 1260 steps to go up the hill to see the temple on the top of the hill. On the left hand side there is a cave, and on the front side there is a Chinese goddess, and on the top we have to go to the temple. In this temple there are a lot of monkeys as well. Have to be careful about the monkeys because they are very naughty and they snatch food and sunglasses, etc., etc. There are a lot of monkeys over here. Have to be careful. This is the entrance towards the Chinese temple as well as the entrance for the hill. And this is my second time here. I've been here in 2014. That time I didn't took many photos or videos, just went straight up to the top of the hill to see the sunset. But right now I have the opportunity to shoot the video to show all of you. I will be very happy to show you the beauty of Krabi and this Tiger Cave Temple. From this way we have to climb up to the top of the hill to see the temple. And there is a beautiful Chinese temple over here.
Okay, this way up to top of the mountain, 1,260 steps to up to top of the mountain. Up and down in the same way. Up and then around the mountain and then up to the top of the mountain. This is quite steep.
Are you going with us?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, never mind. Okay.
Some of the stairs high until my knee. Yeah.
Okay, we'll take care of that and we'll come back in the same way. And then we'll take picture over there and in the cave and then we go.
Yeah.
Thank you, see you.
See you. Fighting.
Yeah, bye-bye. You can see the monkey, lots of monkeys, naughty monkeys, snatching food, everything from the tourists, from the people. Have to be careful. Now we are going to start our climb. Actually, it is 1,260 steps, but officially they have written 1,237 steps.
This
But
is
old.
old. When you arrive at the top there, you
Okay.
get a new sign
Okay.
at the top of the mountain.
So this is the old sign, 1,237 steps. The new sign is 1,260 steps. Let's go, Master Sujit. Su. Fight. Let's go.
Buddham saranam gacchami.
So I will meet you on the top of the hill. in the temple. There is a cave over here. Some statues of monk, Buddha. Look at the climb, is very steep. So 1260 steps starts right now. Lots of monkeys over here, baby monkeys, male, female. Lots of baby monkeys over here. Have to be careful with the phone also. Monkey drinking juice from the bottle. Very steep climb in the Tiger Cave temple. Going on the top of the hill. Feeling difficult to breathe, but good for cardio, good for strength. Yeah, high climb, very steep climb. No need flexibility here. You need strength and your cardio should be good to climb up. Hardly breathe, hardly can breathe. Oh, but the view is very nice. Beautiful view from the top, but very tiring as well. Just climb few steps up, already tired. Heartbeat is very fast. But me and Sujit will reach up definitely. I did once in 2014. This is my second time. Today there is still sunlight because it's 2:15 only, 2:15 p.m. afternoon. Last time I came during the sunset. So let's climb up more. Going up. Not even halfway. Breathing very heavily. Sujit, how are you? Look at me, how are you?
Excellent.
Excellent? Then why you are saying ooh, ah? Why are you doing ooh, ah? Why? Tell me why.
I have climbed already more than 700 steps.
No, just 401 step.
Oh my god.
Is only 401 step. That means
More 800.
860 steps more to go. Covered 550 steps. They have toilet also in between the steps. It's very tough. Not tough if you have habit of climbing stairs up and down, but tough for me. Oh, it's very steep. Very, very steep. View from the 900 stairs. 300 more to go. We can make it, we can make it. And view is beautiful from here. A lot of palm trees, palm farms, plantations, rubber plantations you can see from here. And there is a limestone cliff. Oof. Final 100 steps to go. As you can see me, I'm very tired right now. Can't able to talk much. Can't breathe properly. But I will go to the top. No compromise in that. Okay, we finally made it. 1260 steps. Yay! We feel like champions now.
Finally.
Finally. This is the view from the top of the hill. Pretty good. Monkeys up to only 400 steps, that's it. They're lazy to climb up here. Finally made it to the top of the Tiger Cave temple. Wow, what a view. And this small friend is very strong. You can see whole Krabi from here. Beautiful sea, hills, limestone cliffs, all you can find over here. And this is the big stupa or pagoda of Lord Buddha. Tiger Cave Temple, Krabi is so beautiful. Even though the climb was very tough, but the view absolutely worth the climbing. You can see small hills, limestone cliffs all around this place. Congratulations, you have conquered the Tiger Cave Temple mountain. You have ascended 309 meters vertically along a 600 meter path comprised of 1260 steps. Feeling proud of myself and feeling proud of Master Sujit. Wow, so beautiful. 4 years ago I came here, and this is the second time I'm visiting here again. Many more to come. And this is a beautiful picture of Lord Buddha. Let me climb up more, give you the aerial view of Krabi from this place. Look at the view, everyone. Over there is the sea, palm tree plantations, rubber plantations, some forests, and this is the beautiful statue of Lord Buddha. I'm very glad that I can show you this beautiful view. Sunset will be spectacular from this place. Not only sunset, sunrise will be spectacular from this place as well. There is a very beautiful statue of Lord Ganesha over here. So many hills, limestone cliffs surrounding the Tiger Cave Temple. The feeling of being among the nature is very, very nice. Very fresh, very good quality of air, and peaceful. Very, very peaceful. Such a beautiful feeling in Tiger Cave Temple, Krabi. Nice breeze is flowing. Very, very peaceful and very majestic indeed. Just enjoy the view. Lord Buddha. Fantastic view from here. Welcome to Tiger Cave Temple, Krabi, Thailand. Very peaceful place. If you're in Krabi region, you should visit this place. It is one of the beautiful places you can spend time in the evening or in the early morning. Sunset and sunrise will be spectacular from this place. Very nice. Namaste. Now we are going back and we ask for safety. We pray for good luck while we are going back. Let's go down 1260 steps. Going back, going down now. After the steep climb, now steep descent. After ascent, now we are descending down. Descending down is also not easy. You have to be very, very careful. Otherwise, you may fall down and do damage to your leg. Come on, man. You can do it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Go up again.
Go up again. The view worth it, man.
The second time.
Yeah. 400 steps to go more to get to the ground. Just 400 more. It's lots easier to ascend than the descent. It is much easier to descend than the ascent. Ascent was very steep. Descent is very comfortable and relaxed. But during the descending time, we have to use our knee joint a lot, which is not good. Have to use our main muscles, quadriceps, gluteus, calf. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Have to be careful with the knee. From there to here. Finished the climb already. Already on the ground level. From here we have started. Now we are back to the ground. My legs are shaking right now. Wow. If you're standing in one place, it's shaking, really shaking. It's hot, humid, but luckily no sun. Thank God. Otherwise the condition may be worse. Beautiful Chinese temple, and over there is a small waterfall coming down from the cave. Very scenic, very beautiful waterfall coming down from the caves. You can see the temple. Very nice temple indeed. So that's it for day 3. Now visiting the monastery of the monks. Very peaceful place. You can see the statue of Buddha along with the monks and Rishi. From here we can go up more, a little bit more, and we can see some more. This place is called Thamsua, monastery of the monk. This is the skull of the whale or skeleton of the whale. Now go up more. This place is very beautiful. inside the cave. Teaching center of the monks. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. This is situated inside the tiger cave. Wow, it's so beautiful. If you don't visit this place, you will not understand the beauty of this place. Tiger Cave Temple. Nice, very, very nice. Very fortunate that I can visit this place second time in my life. Hopefully, if I come to Krabi again, I will visit this place definitely. There is a statue of tiger up over here, like a cave. They said be aware of the head, means don't hit the head to the wall of the cave. Wow. Oh God, give me good strength, give me good health, and give me happiness. Going a few more steps here. This is beautiful. Lord Buddha. I think this is the place where the monk used to meditate. So this is a very holy place. This is a very, very, very holy place. This is the main Tiger Cave temple. Wat Thamsua. I will end my video over here. Let me take the blessings of the pure soul, pure consciousness. Very beautiful view from the rocks behind the Krabi resort. Fantastic evening to end our trip to Krabi. Enjoy the view, everyone. Beautiful indeed. So last day Sujit is doing the shopping in surf line. Okay. Brand for swimwear and beachwear. Good morning everyone. Last morning in Krabi. Now going to check out from the resort and going towards the airport. So this is the last morning in Krabi. Me and Master Sujit, both of us, had a beautiful stay in Krabi resort and in Krabi as a whole. I will recommend everyone to visit Krabi. It is a very relaxing place with your family. Now sitting in airport waiting for our flight. Our flight is at 10:50. The boarding time is 10:10. So Master Sujit is sitting and playing with mobile and I'm talking to you. So the Krabi trip ended very well for both of us. We had a very good time in Krabi. Now it's time to fly back to Bangkok and start working from the evening. Bye bye. Just landed in Bangkok, going back to Ratchathon, to our home. The trip was nice. Now we are moving forward towards the gate. We don't have any checked-in baggage, so just we'll get out from the exit directly